Hi, Matt Capel here with Capell Flooring and Interiors. So this time of year in the winter time here in the Treasure Valley, we often get calls from people that say, my hardwood floor is shrinking, something's wrong. So basically what happens this time of year is that in the winter time, we turn on our heaters and that takes all the humidity out of your house. And because of that, your wood floor will start to shrink a little bit and you'll get a little bit of gapping here. And that's just an example because it gets drier during the winter time. So especially like December, January, February timeframe. And that doesn't mean that your floor is defective. What that means is that you need to just have some more humidity in your house. So you need to run a humidifier, boil some water, things like that. Here at Capell Flooring, we have humidity readers that we can get you so you can keep track of that, because here in the Treasure Valley it's good to have your humidity run from about 35 to 55% all year round, and that's the best for all types of flooring and for your house in general and your hardwood floors. So if you have any questions about that, please just give us a call and we can walk you through that. But wood will expand and contract depending on the time of the year, and that's completely normal. So we just wanted to record this short video. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.